Okay, so today on the stand we have a 912 project. This is a project that I started 8 years ago in 2018, and we've since sold the car, and part of that selling the car is we said that we could screw the engine together for the new owner. So I have the engine case here. It's been cleaned. I've measured my case thicknesses. We're at 100 millimeters, which is factory new. Over here we have our brand new crankshaft. I just got it in my bin so I couldn't wash all the cosmoline off of it. We have rods, bearings, gear sets, and we've just got to kind of get myself reacquainted to where I was back in 2018 before the project got put on hold.
I think it squirts harder than the new cans. What kind of pressure do you run?
It says it can handle 200, but my compressor is only set at 125. So I put 125 in it.
Yeah, 200 seems a lot.
Preheating. So one of the issues I had with pressing the gear on was my crank tolerance was too tight. Right on 42, so I've just linished the front part of the gear with a nice firm fit. This was 42.03, so it stacked our interference tolerance up way too tight. So right now we're right on 42. Okay, 52.984 on all of the connecting rod journals, which is right there. $54.981, $54.981.
It's in between.
$49.982. So all of the crank journals, bearing wise, are fine. It was just this shaft was too thick by 0.04 of a millimeter.
Hold on.
I'd have a hard time returning the alternator, but I'm just confirming. I've already done the tunnel. I'm just confirming that it's a half mil oversize. 60.50.
Oh, 50 oversized. Oh, 5 over on the back, standard inside.
Okay, so I've just laid my crankshaft and camshaft in, lined up my marks here. These bolts aren't tight yet. all I want to do is check my backlash. And this is like an intermediate shaft on a 911. Fairly tight on the backlash. I can feel a little bit of movement. Quick check, rotate counterclockwise. If the cam tries to climb out, then the gear is too tight and you need to go to a different size gear. Make sure your crank spins nice. There's a pin on the back here for the thrust bearing. I'll show it to you later when I pull it out because I've still got to put the rods on. Right now I've just got it, as I said, sitting here. I just want to see where we're at for backlash and if this gear is usable. Okay, looks like we're at about, let's say 0.03, 0.04, which is great. Let's just rotate and check it in a couple of different spaces. Yeah, 0.03. 0.03. I'd be happy with that. So now I can go ahead and push my pins in to locate my cam gear, as well as put my lock tabs on and torque down my bolts on the front. And I'll also go ahead, pull the crank out again, assemble the rods onto the crank, and get everything ready to drop in. Bearings in. Okay, so we've got all our connecting rods on and tightened down, fresh bearings. I've got new lifters installed. Always use new lifters with new camshafts. Reground can work sometimes, but I prefer to use new. Heavy duty lubricant on it, and that's because the camshaft manufacturers don't want to finish their cams. They want you to finish them, which means you need extra lubricant to harden them when they first fire up. So everything's ready now to put the cam in for the last time. Cranks all in, gears are all ready to go. We sorted out all of our getting our cam gear on and tightened. Had a couple issues with that. So just going to time it for the last time. Here's my timing mark. Of course, my cam doesn't want to turn. Great, and we can verify we've got 2 dots, so I got a bit of Sharpie on that one. There's a dot there, and then there's the timing mark for the cam. The other thing that we can see when we look at it is we've jammed this underneath. Make sure that's free. Is if I wind the cam over, or the crank over I should say, till we're at TDC, we can see our valves here are on overlap, which means these valves are both closed, these valves are both open. So that's just a quick way of checking it.
These are the new lifters?
Yep.
They were expensive.
You can still buy them.
That's great.
Yes, they cost more than a gallon of milk.
Trans prep just melts away too.
Yep. Low melt assembly grease. Why are we using it?
So they don't fall out.
Exactly. I have to hold the case upside down to install it. Don't want them all falling out onto Mr. Crankshaft.
Oh, you took the flywheel off the crank to go in here?
Mm-hmm.
It's different there on that one. Oh, there's not an O-ring hole? Oh, a little, like, water cap. Do you get these on this one?
No,
Why not?
no need to. It's all pinned.
Didn't want to shut on this side yet.
Not shut anyway yet.
Oh, where's that?
Because I didn't want to beat it down. When I can screw it down.
Now, is this machined in where the washers go?
No,
Or is that worn from time?
it's not one.
It's cast.
Oh, that spigot?
Yeah, the spigot,
Yeah,
like,
that's machined.
yeah.
Noggin.
Good to check.
Yeah. Way better.
Even better. Okay. Do they go the opposite direction or the same direction?
Same direction. Doesn't really matter.
I suppose there's a choice you could make, I suppose. Nice.
Yep, nice and smooth. Ready for the front cover. That's the oil pump pickup O-ring installed with silicone grease. A little bit of silicone grease is just to help them stay there. They don't need it. It's a compression fitting.
They're supposed to have a hole up on that one or hole down. I don't know, I'm just asking. Obviously. Do they just get fed by oil
Yes,
so they don't deteriorate too quickly?
the compression fittings.
No. It seems like, why put rubber there? Deep inside the engine, I don't know.
It's compressed. Works with an oil cooler.
Yeah, but how many years do you expect, is that going to be the bit that fails?
It lasts as long as it lasts. When it fails, it's time for a rebuild. So,
Just different years, different colours?
yeah, so the kit comes with different front cover gaskets depending on what you're working on. And you just match them all. Okay, I'm just going to put our front cover on. We've got our little pressure relief pipe in. We've got all of our pieces installed. And the bearings in and lubricated.
Normal? To have a piece of paper sticking out?
Yep.
What's it for?
There you can see there's a piece of paper sticking out.
Oh, okay. How do you get to these ones? These studs look way too low.
Those are secrets. Yeah, there we go.
Did it again?
Exactly the right amount of washes. Very important.
That washer is very thin. What is it?
It slings oil.
Oh, it's a sling. Oh.
Back from the VW days.
It's awful big. Does it get in there? What's the famous line?
Everything's better with lube.
Awesome.
Thumbs of steel.
Yeah. Oh. It is a special bolty thing. Who would have known?
Me. Everyone else has done a 4-cylinder
Very specialised hardware.
in a 912.
What if you put them on upside down?
Could do. It's been a while. I think this is the way they go. Could check the parts layout.
Everything has a torque. Same as the little torque, because they're
Still an
skinny.
8mm nut. It's just
Oh,
got a
just
big
big
hatchet
head.
on it.
Got it.
Nice.
This is like a little internal pump.
Yeah, it's just to prime, help the oil pump gears prime. Very low melt trans prep assembly grease. You use on automatic transmissions to help prime the pumps.
You certainly want oil pressure quick when you start it.
Yeah. No, it's not like a 911 where it's sitting in a bath of oil. It's got to suck it up through the pickup tube and get things moving. There we go.
So the pins can get punched through. Are they right there? Yep, there's one. Oh, they go beside the bolts. Get out.
No, it's to put the gasket on dry
Oh,
because there's a little oil pressure relief groove that runs around the outside of the housing.
oh.
And if you plug that with any sealant whatsoever, it's guaranteed to create a leak.
Because otherwise, that's what I say, it's under a lot of pressure right there. So normal torque, but that relieves the pressure, so it doesn't blow the cover.
It relieves the oil pressure,
Yeah.
Takes the load off of it.
What's this tinware for? Just for looks or
No, of course not.
air movements?
Yeah.
Oil drip tray?
It's all there for a reason. Very important reason. It's like any air-cooled engine has to have its tinware. That one doesn't feel so good. It's because they're too long.
Is that keyed as well? Mm-hmm. Oh, I see the big keyway on top. It's clear. It's close, but clear.
No, it's like
Miles.
8 millimeters.
Like, is there any seal on that? Have I got to lock the engine up for you?
No, I'll tighten this later. I'll tighten it once the flywheel's on.
Okay. Turn's still nice.
Yep, super smooth. Just nothing to it.
Don't get snagged.
Actually, with it like this, it shouldn't do. It should roll over pretty nice. I mean, if you go too fast, yeah, like right there. Yeah, feels good. But something's not doing right here.
Case doesn't look funny.
Because normally this goes like that. And that sits right there. Unless I'm missing something.
Yeah, just roll the thread at the top.
Yeah, that doesn't feel bad. I don't want to risk damaging anything in the case. So.
Yeah. Super gentle.
Beryllium titanium.
Seems like a 912 has a lot of penetrations that could leak.
No, it's actually pretty solid.
All sorts. To me.
Pretty solid. Okay.
So you've got another one of these kind of things?
What's that?
Another one of these kind of things goes on here.
No, that's the oil pressure switch.
Yeah, you got that?
We have a brand spanking new one.
Oh.
You can see all of the engine oil to run through the oil filter runs through that tiny little hole.
Tiny. What if you enlarge it? Is it bad?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll change.
Pressurize the oil can.
Oh. Doesn't look good.
It's tapered thread.
Oh. Oh, that's why there's no washer on that one?
Yeah, let's give it a little bit of help. So I got 2 brand new oil pressure control pistons. The original ones were a little scored up. Very, very important parts.
They look the same as 911 ones.
They're not.
Different size.
And charge a lot more money.
Do they?
911 ones are a lot cheaper.
Wow.
I have one that's going to slide in right here. Come on. Nope, need my magnet. There it is. It just doesn't, and once you go in, it's...
Oh, goes in.
Yeah. Now I got to get my magnet off of it. Throw the gaskets away that come in the gasket kit.
Yeah, copper's a better one.
Yeah, they got these stupid crush ones.
You just beat them back into submission.
Unlike some other companies we know,
That does add goo.
and lots of it.
I think you just need a little bit more tapping.
Hold it perfectly flat.
Tell me about it.
Genuine Porsche oil cooler.
Now, why didn't you get the $100
Because
Asian one?
these are the super duper updated, where they squeeze in the extra cooling fins down each side.
Oh, nice. And it's aluminum.
Lightweight, very light.
Did you pay for it?
Very expensive. Tested to 10 bar.
Nice.
How many PSI is that?
I don't know.
145.
Nice.
How much oil pressure does a 912 make?
I would say 12 psi.
About 60 PSI max. Oh, as you got it turns so nice now. Then screw around for 25 minutes. The pins, which I thought I had marked, but obviously I didn't. There it is. And now you got to get me the gland nut. Great.
I mean, it's already tight.
Okay, we have no shims installed. And I didn't show you how many times that went round.
It was so fast. I could play it back. Now zero's a different spot.
Yeah, well, who knows where we were at for zero before.
Oh. So you do it without shims first?
Yeah,
and
just
then you take it off?
Just to get a starting point.
1. Not 1.
Just under 1, looks like
Yeah.
0.96. But I'm not getting a nice, well, I'm turning too.
Nice return back.
Yeah, normally I do this with a mallet.
Oh. Then mallet it.
Okay, that moved 1.03.
I didn't even see it move.
Yeah, you got to be quick. Why is it not repeating though? .03.
Same number.
Back to 0. 1.04. Back to 0. Actually, that's 0.996.
Because it goes round almost one time.
Only goes round, doesn't quite go round once, so 0.96.
Okay.
So 0.96 minus 0.1, that would be a 0.86 shim.
Do you size each set?
What's that?
Do you test size each time?
Yeah.
Oh. Ring gap each one.
Yep.
What are you looking for?
The gap. Sweet. 15's in a little smooth, 16's a little firm. So it's like 15.5. Perfect.
Is that the top ring?
Second ring.
Oh, it's heavier.
Yeah, it's just different.
Cool new tool.
Okay.
Same gap, different gap.
Now you want second ring slightly bigger. So there's 16. 16 feels pretty good. 17 feels tight. Yeah. More grab. Sweet. Stepped ring because it's a second ring.
Oh yeah, so the step goes.
Dot goes up, step goes down.
Mm. Dot sure helps.
Oh no, just look at the ring profile. It's got a step in it.
Yeah, but the dot
Step
sure
always
helps too.
faces down.
Yeah.
Come on, piston.
Do you want some help holding it?
Just got to make sure the barrels don't pop off. So go over that side. Hold the barrels on.
Oh yeah, see him.
Push it on.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm just installing my shim pack. I did all my calculations on my desktop, putting in piston, the stroke, the rod length, case width, barrel heights, cylinder head CCs, piston dome CCs, and came up with the shim pack to give me 9.3 or 9.4 to 1, which is right around the factory rating. Come on. Line up. Pistons. Got me. Okay, next step would be heads and pushrod tubes.
Well, the piston's sticking up. Will that do anything? Or is it the studs?
It's stuck on the stud.
Okay, this stud's really leaning in.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I'm in the hole. It's
Oh.
just, the hole is burred
Oh.
from being tightened down for too many years. The only one that's going through is that one. See, it's stuck on this one is the biggest problem. That one's going through.
Okay.
These ones, I just hit it with a 10mm. Green. And so part of it's getting it straight. There it goes. Got it. Because these pushrod tubes hold it up.
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Because you've got to collapse them as you tighten them down.
Oh, they kind of crush in place?
They do.
Oh.
That's why they're a one-time use. Put them on once, and that is it.
Do they have O-rings like 911s or no?
For what?
On the tubes.
They have a different kind of fitting, but it's similar to an O-ring.
All right. Well, I still don't know. Why does it have different washers?
Secrets. Secrets of the 912. So I'm just nipping these down right now.
Do they have to fit in like
Yes,
evenly?
everything has to fit. And
Is
I
it
want to
wiggly?
make sure that I've got my good compression on my pushrod tube so we don't have any leaks. Everything's straight. My piece of tinware is in. Can't get it in afterwards, so you got one shot at it. Tubes are one-time use, although you can stretch them out again and try and reuse them, but not advisable. And the different head nuts are because this is the rocker stand that has to sit on them.
Does it force it to go one way?
No, it can't force it to go anywhere.
Oh.
It can only go on one way. And that's that way. So nip these for right now. All my stud depths look good.
Oh, so these are the head studs like this in 2 rows.
Yeah.
Certainly a lot less of them.
Yep. But have to make sure the O-rings aren't squashed out under here because there's O-rings under each one of these to seal this head because there's obviously oil in here. And stud installation height's good because all my nuts are in the right place. And got plenty of bite for the hex drive. So we're just putting our tapered pushrod seals on. They just slide down with the taper facing the sealing surface. Clean and dry, tinware support, piece of tin. Cut out, this is for the hex head side of the bolt. Let's get that positioned in there. There are O-rings, and these need to be lubricated because they will put pressure on the cylinder head when you tighten everything. Okay. There's our head bolts ready to install. So we're going to put some Optimali on our threads, just like a 911. Okay, and now we're ready for the cylinder head. All of our rebuilt rocker arms, these are being re-chrome plated and centerless ground, and then to repair the damage in there, these have been bored oversize. And I've been doing this for a long time now. These have worked really well. Okay, so getting ready to put the generator in. This is a small case generator that we actually rebuilt. Started off life as a 6 volt. We've converted it to 12 volt. New windings, new armature. This is all new old stock stuff. You can't buy it anymore. But one of the things that we want to do is polarize the generator. And what that means is we're going to make the generator run as a motor. And what we do for that, I'm connected to a 12 volt battery. Grounded to the engine case, I'm just connected to terminal 61. When I press my button, it should run in the direction of rotation and as a motor. It also confirms that everything is hooked up and we didn't let the smoke out of the generator.
If you didn't do this, what would it be?
You run the risk of damaging the regulator if you don't polarize the generator. Sort of.
Well, it's uneven heat. What does it do?
It expands.
Yeah, but what is it?
It's carburetor heat.
Oh. So the wax is supposed to be on the outside?
No wax.
Oh. What is that on it?
Disgust. You filming this?
I don't know because I don't know what it is and you won't tell me what it is. Some temperature expansion boodad.
Carburetor heat. And it actually works, which is amazing. You'll have to see it on the engine. Okay, we have a set of Solex P40II carburetors for our 912 project. We used to do a lot of these, so we don't do them anymore. We only do them if it's part of an engine job or a vehicle that's here that needs them. And these ones are original to the 67 912. So we're going to disassemble them, clean them up, remachine what needs to be machined, and get them ready to install back on our engine.
From the bowl.
Giving away our secrets.
Yeah, no one wants to pay. awesome, that big wrench.
My little 36mm.
Yeah.
Certainly not the size that you normally see.
No.
The anemic ones that all the parts suppliers sell. Okay, so we've started the engine. It's got about an hour's worth of runtime on it. Had some exhaust leaks, had to pull the exhaust off, and the problem was the new Dansk heat exchangers are powder coated. The powder coating jammed on the stud on one. It actually bent a stud and wasn't allowing everything to seat, so I had to re-clean all the powder coat out, replace one stud, and put it all back together, so I got that sealed up. Carburetors have had their base set. Ignition timing's all base set. Ignition timing's actually been set with the timing light. Float heights are done with the engine running, so that's all been set. So I'm going to do a first valve adjustment and then restart and see how it's running. And that's probably about it. Ready to start wrapping it up. Got to make linkages for the throttles since we don't have any. So I've got to get a dimension there and machine up some linkages, and we've also got to make a linkage for our preheat thermostat pipe that connect down to there. All of this stuff is just no longer available, and these are available, but this one's not.
Ready? Ignition on.
No fuel.
Cranking. Will it idle? Maybe it's cold. The exhaust leak's a lot better.
Cold engine.
Yeah, not bad.
Valve adjustment helped a lot.
I'm sorry.
Valve adjustment helped a lot.
Oh yeah. Help the idle. And return to idle. Yeah.
Yeah, it needs to be driven now.
Great.
Much happier. Ready?
I'm filming away.
Oh. Air filter. Being the technical term.
Looks good.
So that wraps it up for our 912. It's ready to go back into the car and get some miles on it before we can do anything else. It's got to get its brake in, seat the rings into the cylinder bores, and that's pretty much about it for what we can do now. The owner's going to have a couple of little things that he's going to have to do when he gets it back, but other than that, we're all done.